P52. XOMX. They're doing a full pickup today. ECUX. These are the 3 box stores they're going to be dropping off today. UP 7D1353. UP Building America. Another UP 7078. They are making a local pickup. I love industry railroading. This is going to be T-Box 665389.